namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box below. Okay, so today I'm going to do the pick a card reading topic. Today's topic is your destiny in 2022. So that's going to be the reading for today. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless readings as well, so whenever you watch this reading, might have a message for you guys. So I have three groups for you guys. I have kept 3 crystals for you guys. So for group number 1, we have the rose quartz crystal. For group number 2, we have the pyrite. And for group number 3, it's lapis lazuli. So close your eyes, relax, connect with your intuition, and choose a pile that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so rose quartz, pyrite, lapis lazuli. So take your time, let go of all the worries, and then choose. And I'm going to do runes and charms as well today. So the timestamps will be in the description box. Let me start with group number 1. My lovelies, hello group number 1. If you have chosen this rose quartz crystal, let's see what is your destiny in 2022. Okay, so the rune you have chosen, you have got is Evas. Okay, so with this Evas, I'm getting movement, progression, and with this rose quartz, what I'm getting is like you're going to choose yourself over someone or something. You're choosing your own well-being over something in 2022, and you're moving forward. Okay, and with this Evas, it's also about horse. Horse is also about freedom, right? Going the way you want to go. Like you're going in your own direction. You're not listening to other people, criticism, anything. What you want to do, you're doing it. What is your passion? You're following that passion. You're working with spirit. You're listening to your intuition in 2022. That's what I'm getting here. Okay, so I feel like it's like you're choosing yourself in 2022. You're not choosing others. You're choosing yourself, your well-being. What you want from your life, what is your passion. Maybe you have been following other people's guidance for so long. Maybe you have felt trapped in it. Maybe it was you're doing a 9-to-5 job because your parents wanted to do, but you have a passion for art, and finally you're like, I cannot do this 9-to-5 job. I have tried my best for so long, but I cannot do it. Now finally I'm choosing myself over the other people's ideas about myself. So it's like you're choosing yourself, you're loving yourself, you're making yourself a priority. That's something I'm getting for you guys in 2022. So you're making the change, and for some of you, it's like you're traveling to a different location for your passion, for your goals, and I even feel like maybe for some of you, meeting someone new who might help you with your passion, yeah, with your ideas. For some of you, partnership also, I'm getting like business partnership, good partnership is coming. But definitely there is progression. You're not listening to other people anymore. You're choosing yourself, and that's wonderful, right? Not everyone can do it. Maybe you have been struggling with that self-love thing. Maybe you feel guilty whenever you choose yourself. But finally you're like, if I don't choose myself right now, then I will be depressed. You're feeling like that. If I don't choose this thing, I cannot move forward. And you're like, whatever others have to think, let them think. I cannot do this anymore. I have to choose myself. So I feel like you're going to choose yourself. You're going to love yourself, taking care of yourself, filling your own cup rather than other people's cup, right? You have been draining your energy for so long. Finally, it's like, I'm choosing myself. I'm making my own decisions. I'm going to go with that. So that's something I'm getting here. Okay, for some of you, it can be like your parents are telling you, take this course, go for this career path, but finally you're deciding that no, I cannot do that. Maybe you have already joined a career, maybe you have already joined for a course, but you're not feeling it. So maybe for some of you, dropping out of it and doing something that you always wanted to do. So there is like a lot of strength and courage from your part, I'm getting here. Okay, so we have 8 of air, definitely a lot of stress, right? A lot of you're feeling like you're trapped, that you cannot get out of it. So right now, maybe you're in a situation where you're thinking a lot, like maybe you're in a course that doesn't fulfill you. You're not feeling it. Like you have taken this course, but you're not feeling it. You don't enjoy it at all. Right now you're feeling trapped. What I'm gonna do? Can I do this for like 4 years or 3 years? No, I cannot do it. So maybe I feel like what is happening in 2022 is like you're getting out of this Eight of Swords energy. You're freeing yourself, right? Yeah, the Lovers. And then we have the Nine of Worth. Definitely you're choosing yourself. That's what I'm getting here. Oh my God, this is so sorry. So sorry for that. Okay. I'm just gonna keep it here. So yeah, you're getting out of this illusion. You know, sometimes society put us in an illusion that you have to do this thing this way only. Art will not provide for you. Maybe the schools will not give that. You know, there's so much limited beliefs that have been given to us through generations, right? And our parents don't realize that. And but you are realizing that. You know, you're realizing something about yourself. You're realizing that you're not for this thing, that I need to move, I need to move, I need to change my direction, I need to get out of this this illusion, I need to let go of this, that I have to follow other people, I have to follow the crowd. No, I can be myself. Like something that is that you're stressing about, that you feel like you're trapped in something, you're letting go of it and you're moving forward. Maybe it can be a relationship as well that is blocking your path. Like sometimes our spouse does that. Maybe you want to do something new, something creative, they come in between and they tell that it's not worthy. Maybe friends do that, they discourage us. So I feel like you are letting go of certain people as well, so who are blocking you from your own growth. But definitely you're going to grow in 2022. A lot of growth is what I see. You're not going to be in this Eight of Air energy where you're trapped in an illusion. Right now I feel like you're fearful. Many of you are fearful to take action, but I see in 2022 you are going to move forward. You're going to take action. Maybe if some of you have already decided that I cannot do this career path anymore, I'm going to just change it. I'm just going to follow my passion. Maybe you have been trying that, like you have been forcing something on yourself, maybe a relationship that you're forcing and it's not working fine, and it's just trapping you, you know. Maybe a place that you're staying is just you're feeling like in a prison, and you know that this is not working. Finally you're taking action and moving forward. You're making the decision, the hard decision, and you're healing. That is also I'm getting with the six. You know, you're getting out of this illusion, you're getting out of this trap. Maybe because of other people you felt like that you have to do these things this way only, but you're finally understanding, no, I don't want to do that. Maybe people told you that we have to love other people, we have to give other people, even though they're taking a lot from us, we have to adjust. Finally you're like, no, I cannot adjust anymore, I cannot waste my life anymore. For some of you it's like you have been depressed, like a lot of mental anxiety. You're getting out of that anxiety and you're freeing yourself from that anxiety and making a decision to move forward. Take care of yourself, do the things that you love to do. So yeah, focusing on self-love, choosing yourself. For some of you, travel, moving to an entirely different location, an entirely different job, following your passion. For some of you, startup, maybe you wanted to do a business, maybe you will be doing that, you will be planting that seeds. That's what I'm seeing for you guys here. And definitely it's ending beautifully with this Nine of Earth. So a person who is trapped, who doesn't know what to do, they're listening to other people and feeling trapped, they're not feeling good in their environment. Finally they're breaking free from that. They're like listening to their heart, they're listening to their intuition. For some of you, there is someone who will like, maybe you will meet someone new who will tell you that it's okay to follow your passion. So there is someone around you who you will meet, because of this person you'll be like, yes, I can follow, I can go my way, you know. Maybe it can be you will be inspired by someone through YouTube or through social media, or you know, maybe a teacher. So someone is going to inspire you and you're going to get out of this Eight of Air energy. That's what I'm strongly feeling. You're getting out of this stressful energy, you're freeing yourself, like a lot of freedom. You're choosing yourself, you're getting the freedom, you're going in your own direction, you're making the way, you're trusting your intuition and going. That's what I'm seeing here. So definitely I can see self-employment for some of you. Maybe you want to do it, that's happening. Maybe you want to travel as well as work, like freelancing, that is also I'm getting for some of you. But definitely things are looking good for you guys in 2022, because you are ready to love yourself, you're taking care of yourself, you're making yourself a priority, you're on the top of the list. Maybe before you were on the end of the list for you, but now you're making yourself a priority, you're giving yourself breaks, you're doing the things that you want to do, you're letting go of the people who are not good for you, you're only including the people who who want your good, right? Who encourage you, not discourage you. That's something I'm getting. And look at the color. We have the green color. We have Archangel Raphael. It's the heart center, right? Here, 8 of air. They are trapped in their head. Their heart is not open. Finally, in 2022, I see that you're opening your heart. You're finally doing something what your heart is telling you to do for such a long time. Maybe this is a passion from your childhood that you were like neglecting. Finally you're like, yes, I need to do it. Maybe you're an artist, you used to paint a lot, then you went to different courses, you learned different courses, you have been trying that, but it may be a career you have right now, it's paying you a good amount of money, but it's not fulfilling you. You're not feeling fulfilled, but finally you're letting it go and making your way, like you're following your passion, you're following your bliss, starting something new, maybe a YouTube channel, maybe Instagram, influencing people in some way, maybe even a business. So doing something that your heart is telling you to do, so making that choice and going forward. For some of you, definitely you're letting go of a relationship and choosing yourself. That is also something I'm getting with this Lovers and 9 of Earth. Maybe there is a relationship that was bothering you, that was putting you in because of this relationship you feel trapped. You felt like I cannot do the things that I want to do. Maybe this person was very controlling. Finally you're freeing yourself from this person as well and moving in a different direction. And finally you will be feeling very free in 2022. I feel like feeling free, feeling like you have control of your own life. Maybe you're not feeling it right now, but definitely there is going to be a lot of control. You will be having that control. So if you're feeling, I feel like you're going to make that decision and you're choosing yourself. That's what I'm getting. You're moving forward. Yeah, look, move in a new direction, traveler. So for some of you, definitely you're moving to a new place, new country as well. For some of you, relocating to a new place. Maybe you will get a job in a new place. Or it can be social media as well, where your work is traveling all around the world. People from different parts of the world are seeing your work. Maybe you're getting opportunity from different parts of the world. That is something I'm getting. But definitely you're moving away from this 8 of air energy. You're getting out of your depression, anxiety, or maybe getting out of a relationship that took a lot of toll on your mental health. So it's like you're choosing your own mental health. You are choosing yourself over someone or something that was trapping you. Okay, a person or a friend. You're letting go of someone. You're finally healing your heart. You're opening your heart to something that you want to do. That's what I'm getting for you guys. You're choosing yourself. That's the thing. You're choosing yourself. You're doing things your way. You're feeling free. You're traveling. You are going in a direction that you want to go, not what other people are telling you to go, right? You're listening to your intuition and going there. Wow, great teacher. Learn from spiritual experience. So you're going to learn. You have learned a lot of things. I feel like this past year have taught you a lot of things, and that's the thing. This past year you have understood that that self-love is important, that without self-love we cannot give love and kindness to other people. We have to fulfill our cup, then only we can give that love to other people, right? If we don't have if our cup is empty, how we are going to fill other people, right? So that's what I'm getting. You are choosing yourself. You're choosing your mental health over people, over other people's opinion. You're choosing yourself. That's what I'm getting. You're freeing yourself. Interesting, the bird is freed from this person's hand, and I feel like you're freeing yourself from your own illusion. For you were the one who were trapping yourself in some situation. You're freeing yourself from it, and you're learning a lot of things. So it's like you're becoming a strong person. That's what I'm seeing for you guys. So yeah, that's what I'm getting here. Let's see what else. Caution. Yeah, with this caution, you used to like, oh, what if I take this risk? What if that doesn't work out? But I feel like, you're taking the risk. You're taking a leap of faith. You're choosing yourself, taking a risk, going forward. You're moving in a new direction. You don't care. But you cannot be in this entrapment. You cannot stay like this. So you're freeing yourself. It's better to, maybe you're in a comfort place where you're getting the money, but you're not feeling good. You're in your head, you're not feeling good. So you're like letting go of that caution. You're taking that leap of faith. You're getting into the unknown. That's what I'm seeing. Yeah, soul dance. You're listening to your own soul. You're dancing to your own soul. You have listened to a lot of people. But finally it's time to listen to yourself. Finally it's time to take care of yourself. Finally it's time to let go of the relationship that is not working for you. You know it, and that's what I'm seeing. Moving out from someone's house, going alone, going solo for some of you, or maybe changing a career path. That's something I'm getting. Maybe you have already enrolled into university, but that course was not working for you guys. Finally you are going to do something that you love. Maybe a job you're changing. It's a relationship for some of you, letting go of a friend, letting go of a relationship that was not working, and choosing yourself with the soul dance, like listening to your heart and dancing to the rhythm of your heartbeat. That's what I'm getting here for you guys. You're choosing yourself. For some of you, maybe music career as well. You're interested in this music career. No, people told you that you will not be good at it. Maybe because of your past, you stopped yourself. Maybe in your past you had failures, but you're understanding that you're more than your failures, and you're choosing yourself all over again. Wow, that's so nice. Then we have caterpillar. Yes, things will not always be this way. Change is coming. Definitely change is coming. You are definitely getting out of the comfort zone. You're getting out of the cocoon. You're ready to fly, right? That's what is happening. You're choosing yourself with this rose quartz. Definitely it's all about self-love, right? And in the way you will find new good people as well. A soulmate for some of you, that is also I'm getting, and you will know it, because this person will make your heart dance. Okay, for some of you that is also happening. If you're already in a good relationship, this can be about your career, right? Or maybe you are someone who take responsibilities of other people. When other people are stressed, you take that lot on your head, but finally you're freeing yourself from that also. Or maybe you are starting a job. If you were a parent who used to stay at home, maybe you're starting a new job. That is also something I'm getting. Or maybe doing something from home, something like that. Yeah, definitely this is a shift in your direction, because you're choosing yourself, you're loving yourself. More self-care, more lessons you're learning. You're taking spirituality very seriously also. You're feeling like a lot of peace is also coming, because you're listening to your souls, your heartbeat, what your heart is saying. You're listening to that and following that, right? And again we have the green color. Look, green color is also about healing, about abundance, prosperity, right? So yeah, you're healing your inner self, inner child. I'm getting you're healing your mental health. That is also for someone of your anxiety, and you're finally having the power to move forward. You're not afraid of the unknown anymore. Yeah, look, sunrise. For some of you, new ventures, new business ideas coming. You're starting something new, maybe new channel, maybe you're starting a blog, maybe you're starting a small business. Yeah, something new ideas are there and you're working on it. That's what I'm getting here. It's a fresh start. Yeah, for some of you, it's like you are feeling new, you're feeling fresh, you're out of this situation. You're not in the situation anymore. You're not feeling trapped anymore. So this is new you, right? Yeah, someone going out of your life, or the end of a situation. Definitely with this 8 of air, something was trapping you. Maybe an end of a situation, maybe a career path that was not working for you, or a job that was not working for you, or a person that was not working for you. You're leaving that and moving forward. Things are going to change very soon for you guys. Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, look, someone you know is undependable and insincere and discord among friends or family. So this is the situation that you're leaving. Maybe it's your family, because your family members, you are feeling trapped. Finally you're leaving something behind. Maybe you're leaving, you are going to a different place, you're moving out from someone, or a place, maybe a person who was not sincere. Maybe they were playing behind your back. You're leaving them behind. You're choosing yourself. You have been in this game for so long, but finally you're like, no, I'm choosing myself. I cannot do this anymore. You're freeing yourself from all the past baggages as well. So the situation is out. Now this is like with this caterpillar, things are changing. You're becoming the butterfly. The sun is rising. This is the new you, new start. So 2022 looks good, where you are taking power of your own life. Taking the risk, doing something that makes you happy, listening to your heart, taking care of yourself, making yourself a priority. You're on the top of the list. That is what I'm seeing. Okay, so let's see the charms for you guys for group number 1, the destiny in 2022. Yeah, look, you're following your passion. You're doing something that you want to do. Happiness and a lot of love is going to follow you guys. You're taking care of yourself. That's something. Look, you're taking care of your own heart. You're not allowing anyone to come and tear you. No, you're taking control of your own heart. You're filling your own cup, because you are understanding that no one will fill your cup. You have to do it by yourself, right? They will only take energy from you. They're not going to give you back. So you're going to be meeting new people who will give you the same energy back, right? If you're single, I feel like for some time you will be taking care of yourself. You will be single only. Yeah, even if you're in relationship, I see that even if your relationship is good, I'm getting like you will be taking care of yourself. You will be filling your own cup, making yourself a priority. That's something I'm getting. Yeah, with this love, that's what I'm getting. Making yourself a priority, listening to your own heart, right? Not listening to other people. You know, it's okay. Many people give us guidance, right? But sometimes, look, all the heart matters. A lot of hearts you have got. So it's like self-love, focusing more on self-love, taking care of yourself. Maybe people always told you that self-care is not good, we should not make ourselves a priority, but finally understanding that how important self-care is, that when we take care of ourselves, you know, if we don't have compassion and kindness to us, you know, if we don't feel that in ourselves, how we are going to give it to other people? So you are doing that. You're feeling compassionate and kindness to yourself. You're becoming more kinder to yourself. That's something I'm getting here. Okay. So yeah, with this unicorn and horse, you know, definitely there is you might be traveling to somewhere new, someplace new. Maybe there is some travel also happening for you guys, or relocating. So definitely there is some sense of travel, and this flying high, like finally moving to a place. Look, again we have this, you're freeing yourself from something or someone that is not serving you for your highest good, and you're moving to a different direction. Definitely change with this dragonfly. Definitely things are going to change for you guys. If you're in a situation that you don't like right now, it's going to change. And you know, fairies, yes, there is a lot of love from fairies. They're telling you to embrace more playfulness, play with yourself like a child, you know, make time for yourself, do the hobbies that you love to do. So that's something I'm getting as well. Okay, so that's all I have for group number 1. Hope you like the reading. If you like it, give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you have chosen the pirate stone, let's see what is your message, your destiny in 2022. Group number 2. Okay, so the rune that you have drawn is Punyo. So a lot of joy, pleasure is coming your way. So you know, with this rune, that it's about law of attraction. What you're thinking, your thoughts, that will manifest. So you're very powerful manifestors, I feel like. And so if you are into this negative energy, if you're stressing a lot, there is a chance that might manifest for you guys. So use law of attraction for your own benefit. So don't get into the energy of fear, anxiety. So the more you fear, the more fear will manifest into your life. So if you're feeling joyful, if you're feeling very hopeful, if you're very positive about everything, things will be very, very good for you guys, okay, in the year 2022. So it's like working with spirit, working with universe, co-creating with universe. You have that, right? So you're very, very in touch with the universe. You can co-create with the universe. So whatever your dreams and desires are, the more you be you're like, yes, I will achieve this. If you're feeling more optimistic, you will be able to have it in your life. But if you're stressing, if you're not feeling like I'll be able to make it, then you will not be able to make it. So that's there. Okay, so keep on knocking on the doors of the universe. Believe in yourself. Yes, you will be able to make it. So but you know, some days will be like when you're feeling negative. Don't worry about that as well. Slowly change your thoughts into positive. Or maybe, you know, I feel like whenever you're feeling very stressful, do something that you love, like listening to music, going out in nature, playing with your kids. If you have kids, play with them, or if you have a pet, enjoy time with them. So that's very important. Or maybe sleep, just sleep. Okay, do like that whenever you are in this negative mindset. Okay, so that's there. So everything is in your hands. Your thoughts is very powerful. Understand that, and your thoughts can create your reality in 2022. So everything is in your hands, okay? And with this Pyrite stone, I'm getting like a lot of increase in your finances is definitely going to happen if you are manifesting that. If you want more money, if you want a job that gives you a lot of income, or if you want to grow your business, something like that I'm getting. And I even feel like that you're becoming more confident. Your solar plexus chakra is on fire. I'm getting like you're feeling very confident. You're with this rune, no, I'm getting like you are working with the universe, and you're working in your benefit. You know how to work with law of attraction. Maybe you have been learning that. Maybe in the past your manifestations were not coming quickly, but now in this year 2022 your manifestation will be very, very quick. So as I told you, don't let that negativity come in between, okay? Because whatever you want to achieve in this 2022, if you have a vision board, you have made a vision board, if you have certain plans, certain goals, you can make it happen in 2022, okay? Understand that. But definitely financial increase, a lot of confidence. Your confidence is key to your success. That's something I'm getting. So let's see your tarot first. I'll start with your tarot cards. So I'm like so your first card came out as 5 of Earth, then you have 9 of Earth, then you have King of Earth. Wow. Okay. Look, 5 of Earth. You had, in the past or right now also, you have the fear of lack of money. Like, it's not that you don't have money, but maybe you feel like, oh my God, I'm doing well now, but what if this money will go out from me? What if I lose everything? So there is some sort of fear with money that you need to work on, okay? Don't let that thoughts come in between, because you're going to move forward with money. Look, we have 9 of Earth and then we have King of Earth, right? Financial growth definitely is there for you guys. If you have a business, if you're self-employed, don't worry about money. Believe in the universe, keep on creating, give that desire to universe and believe, trust, nurture that thing. You will be able to make it happen. For some of you, definitely, if you have started something new, a business, a startup that will grow, that will give you a lot of benefit, you will see that financial increase, a lot of success in career, in business. I see for you guys personal growth as well. For many of you, if you have a family, you will be able to provide to your family, you will be able to give the gifts that you want to give to your family, a good lifestyle to your family as well, I'm seeing. But the only thing that you need to work on is the lack mentality that you have. Even though you have money, sometimes because of your past, you will sometimes get into that lack mentality. Maybe you have fear for spending money, a lot of money. When you spend a lot of money, you have that fear, what if that doesn't come back? So let's work on that thing, okay? In 2022, everything is in your hands. Universe is there with you. Whatever you want, you can achieve. So don't worry about it, okay? And with this 9 of Earth and King of Earth, what I have to say, a lot of growth. Look, we have 5 of Earth, then the next card came as 9 of Earth, then the King of Earth. It's all about money. You want to increase your finances, right? You want to have an abundant life. And here universe is telling you, that's your destiny. You're here for abundance. You're here to have a very prosperous lifestyle. You are here to have that luxuries that you want in your life. What is stopping you from that is your own beliefs, limited beliefs about money. Maybe in your past, maybe you have dealt with a little bit of money situation. That's why that's creeping in. So whenever you have enough, you're like worried, oh, what if I lose? Don't do that, okay? So if you are someone who if you are starting a plan for starting a business or something like that, go for it. And a lot of personal growth I'm seeing for you guys. Good friendship as well for some of you, a new friendship that will help you. Maybe for some of you, you're going to get married to a person who will be very, very financially well off, okay? Or maybe for some of you, you might do something with your spouse. If you're planning that will be very, very successful, okay? For some of you, family business also I'm getting. Maybe you will be joining family business and your family business is going to thrive. That is something I'm getting. For others, it's like you're starting something new and it's wonderful, it's growing, maybe your influences and you're influencing people, your Instagram is growing, you're getting a lot of collaborations from different people and your finances are increasing. That's something I'm getting. Your family life and your career looks very, very balanced. The reason is you're working with the universe, you're co-creating with the universe. So I feel like you have learned a lot of lessons the past year. I feel like that. So you have learned a lot of things. Like it's like complete financial healing for you guys in this 2022. Okay, that's something I'm getting. You have learned a lot of lessons. You have read a lot of books about law of attraction. I feel like that. You know how to make your money. Maybe you have read a lot of books about money as well. But definitely stability is what I see for you guys in 2022. You don't have to worry about your stability. Maybe if you want to travel, you will be having enough money to travel. You can provide to your family. Everything is looking balanced for you guys in 2022. But there is one thing, that is your mindset, the lack mentality, the scarcity that you have inside of you, that is the limited belief that you have. That is the only thing that you have to work on. Okay, rest assured, universe will take care of you. All you need to do is build your confidence, work on your personal growth, keep on working on the things that you want to achieve in your life, keep on moving forward, believe. That's it, everything will be taken care of, you guys. Look, see your seeds grow. So you have been working on this thing for maybe for past 2 years or 3 years. You have been working. Things may be very slow, but things are going to move forward. The seeds that you have planted you have been nurturing it. I feel like you have been working, even though you have this scarcity mindset. You have been working, you have been believing. There have been days where you will believe, then there have been days where you didn't believe in yourself, but you are going good. You're going good. So keep on moving forward. You're growing. Look, we have the rabbit, and rabbit is also about, I'm getting like abundance, right? Prosperity, money wise, things are looking good for you guys. Okay, so look, enjoying life's little luxuries, spending quiet time alone, and successful self-employment, a successful time, confidently accept opportunity you're offered, the Midas touch. So definitely there is a lot of collaboration, as I told you. Accept that, be confident, shine your confidence, follow your passion. Yes, a good time for family as well. Okay, good time for family. Maybe for some of you in your family also there is some sort of good news coming your way. Maybe in your family someone, like a new member, someone is getting pregnant in your family. That is also something I'm getting here. So yeah. And look, we have moon. Take note of intuitive messages. Wow, look, you're very connected with the universe. You have done a lot of works, I feel like shadow work, a lot of work with healing. So maybe past year, maybe this 5 of earth is a past energy where you have been working on this financial healing, maybe changing your limited belief, letting go of the limited beliefs that you have about money, right? So yeah, you're mastering the law of attraction. That's something I'm getting here. Okay, for some of you, law of assumption as well I'm getting here. Maybe you follow, or you are doing that. Maybe you're scripting. So definitely you have a lot of belief right now. You have a lot of trust in yourself. You're trusting universe. You're with this moon, take note of intuitive messages. Your intuition is also on point. So maybe you will be getting a lot of creative ideas. So write down or maybe a lot of creative solutions that you will be getting. Okay, so write down and work on it. Work on the creative ideas, because that will give you a lot of success. So whatever you have planted, it's going to grow in 2022. All you need to do is to nurture with positive thoughts. Keep on watering it, because it's going to be beautiful tree. You will have a tree with a lot of money hanging on. Like people tell, maybe in the past people might have told you that, your parents might have told you that trees, money doesn't grow on tree. For you guys, yes, money is going on, like it's growing. So that's what I'm getting, metaphorically I'm telling that. So yeah, so don't disregard your intuition. Trust your intuition. Your dreams are also going to be very vivid. You will be keep getting a lot of messages through your dreams as well. So maybe different ideas will be presented to you in your dreams. Yeah, for some of you, definitely you are going to be very good in your career, but I feel like you're going to marry someone new. That can be a good news for you guys, like marry someone new who is very financially well off. That's also something I'm getting. Maybe you know this person. Or maybe for some of you, I'm even getting like your parents might help you with some money to start something new, and it will take off. That is also coming. Look, emerge. Wow. With for some of you with this 9 of earth also, maybe you are influencers or something like that. Maybe you're influencing people in some way. Finally you're getting the recognition that you deserve. Maybe the past year maybe you have a YouTube channel, you have been working on it constantly, you have been planting the seeds. You're not recognized that much right now, but in 2022 I see a lot of recognition coming your way. People are like, wow, this person is doing great, their content is so great. Maybe in Instagram you are being recognized, your followers are increasing, so you're emerging, right? Sorry. sorry for that. Okay, So you're emerging, guys, you're emerging, people are seeing you, you're coming in the spotlight. That's something I'm getting. Okay. Yeah, if you don't, if you're not in that social media field or something like that, I'm getting like if you're single, a lot of people are seeing your glow up, your transformation. If you want to get a, you know, if you want to get into a new relationship, that is also quite possible. Maybe there is a person who's an earth sign, might be of very important to you guys. That's something I'm getting, because we got the earth signs, maybe earth signs as well. Not necessary, but you know, it's not necessary that you are earth sign, because it's like I'm getting like financial growth is the main thing with this earth, stability, security, right? That's the main focus for you guys. But definitely there is someone who might be important for you guys, who can be an earth sign, who might help you with money, or maybe they will give you money ideas, how to make more money, how to invest, right? That's something I'm getting here. But trust your intuition with people, okay? That's very important. You need to be logical, but definitely trust your intuition as well. But definitely you're going to emerge. Maybe you have you haven't been recognized by your peers, by your family. You're getting recognition, they are like appreciating you for your work, right? Sometimes all we need is validation from our family. Sometimes we don't receive it, you're receiving that validation. For some of you, it's a transformation. You're looking good, you're glowing up from inside and out, because your confidence is shining. That's something I'm getting. You know, when we are in touch with universe, when we have that positive thoughts, when we are happy, when we are peaceful, our skin also changes, we look young, right? For some of you, that is the case. You're feeling very peaceful, you're looking young, you're looking very like a glow up I'm seeing for you guys. You're shining. That's something I'm getting. So a lot of people are noticing you, like you were behind the curtains, now you're out of the curtains, people are seeing you, you're in the spotlight. That's something I'm getting. So you're emerging. That's something I'm getting here. And we have the number 7 as well, and with this number 7, a lot of knowledge, a lot of wisdom that you have, people will be appreciating that. Like you're helping people, you're guiding people in some way with your wisdom, and that's why people are like, yeah, this person is doing so good, and they are like encouraging you, they're like recognizing your worth. That's something I'm getting here. Yeah, intuition, definitely your intuition is going to be very, very strong. Look, we have the moon and then we have the intuition. So listen to your intuition. Maybe at night time you receive a lot of messages, so maybe when you wake up you tend to forget that. So when you wake up, write it down. Whenever you get that thought, write it down, because I feel like there is a chance you might forget it later. So write it down, okay? And with this full moon, look, we have different phases of energy. Maybe you'll be working with different moon phases. So keep on working with moon phases for your benefit. Do the rituals that you want to do. If you're doing it, like financial rituals, if you have done, that is going to work for you guys. So yes, a lot of intuitive messages you will be receiving. So write down, work on it. Maybe for some of you, you will be giving some messages to other people as well. Like whenever you have this nudge, don't ignore that intuitive nudge. Okay, follow that. That will give you a lot of happiness, and definitely increase in materialistic things. A lot of luxuries, what I see for you guys. And a lot of recognition, also a lot of peace is also what I'm getting for you guys. Pay attention to your health. I feel like your health wise also things are getting better, because with this earth energy also you are feeling stable, you're feeling grounded, right? Mental health is also good, something I'm getting. So, or maybe for some of you this is a message to take care of your health, eat more greens as well. That's something I'm getting. But definitely mentally you will be feeling very good, okay, very good. And I'm even getting like your thoughts are becoming very, very positive, right? So as our thoughts become very positive, our health improves, right? Overall health is improving for you guys. Yeah, Valley, deep personal strength and peace that assures success. Yeah, definitely you are feeling very powerful, you're feeling courageous, you're feeling confident in yourself, you're feeling very peaceful from inside. And when we are very peaceful, when we are not in this fear-based energy, we thrive, right? So that's something I'm getting. A lot of ideas, very, very connected to the universe. I know that you will have that peace, but sometimes there is chance of stress, anxiety as well. So because of a past, right? Because in the past maybe you are a person who used to stress a lot, but this is a new version of you where you're not stressing, where you're very calm, you know it, everything will be all right. But then too there is little bit, sometimes just work on that, okay? I know that your career will be main priority. Yeah, definitely there is a lot of success happening in your career. I can see that for you guys. I feel like 2022 mainly your focus will be on your career, financial increase, intuition, building your intuition, listening to your intuition, emerging, getting the recognition, paying attention to your health. And if you have a family, beautiful family, if you're already married, if you have a good relationship, definitely that is going to be wonderful. Everything is going to be balanced for you guys. If you're single, maybe you will be meeting a lot of people, but I feel like main priority will be for you guys is career only. But for some of you, I see marriage as well with a financially well-off person. That's something I'm getting. But your main focus is your career. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. Or studies as well. In studies also, you're going to thrive. Yeah, definitely I'm getting. Your needs will be met. Don't worry about it, okay? In 2022. Yeah, tortoise, slowly but surely getting ahead. You are getting ahead, slowly but surely. You have planted the seeds. Now it's growing. It will take little time, but you're moving forward. You are not going to fall back. You're moving ahead only, so don't worry. Things might be sometimes very slow for you guys. You know, sometimes we humans don't have that much patience sometimes. Maybe that's why we feel like things are very slow, but things are moving for you guys. Things are going the way it should go, okay? Yeah, sometimes you might feel like, oh, I have been doing this work, things are very slow, but it is going to be very stable for you guys, so don't lose hope. I feel like you're healing a lot. You're healing your past, you're healing your inner child, and you have been doing the work. It's like healing, a lot of healing energy. Look at the greens you have, right? So yeah, wishbone, wow, a wish is granted. So if you have a wish, very strong wish, I feel like that will be granted. Slowly but surely it will be granted, okay? It will be granted for you guys, don't worry. A wish is coming true. Maybe it's regarding finances only, maybe it's regarding your career, your studies, or maybe it's a person that you want to marry. That is also coming true, I'm getting. Or maybe it's like your own glow up, you want to have a good health. That is also happening for you guys. Yeah, unsuccessful plans. It's about your past, you know. Maybe this 5 of earth energy, you know, with this unsuccessful plans, it's like sometimes you think about the unsuccessful things you had in your life in the past. So there is a tendency to worry on that thing. So don't let it happen, because divine is with you. Everything will be moving forward as it should. Sometimes when things will look slow for you guys, that is the time when you will be worrying. So don't worry. That's the thing. Look, position of authority. For some of you, maybe you want a position, maybe you like with this emerge recognition you're getting that. Maybe in your career you want a position, that is coming. Or maybe you want an increase in your finances, that is happening. So people are going to respect you no matter what. A lot of respect. People will be respecting that you are so wise, you're so knowledgeable. That's something I'm getting here. People are recognizing you, like you have that authority, you have that power in you. You have that power already. You have that power in your hands. You're not giving your power to anyone. So if there are unsuccessful plans, don't worry about it, because you will be moving ahead only. So there will be some days where things might not work out, but don't worry. Eventually things will go the way you want, okay? All you need to do is believe in yourself. Your thoughts should be positive. Work with law of attraction, law of assumption, because that's working for you guys. And understand you're very, very powerful manifestors. You can create the desired life that you want, okay? So that's all I have for group. Oh, we have the charms. I forgot the charms, sorry. So let's see the charms as well, and then enter your reading. For group number 2. Okay. Yeah, believe in yourself. Keep on, don't give up on your plans, dreams. Things will move forward, okay? Stick to your plans. We have 6 and 5. 6 is like 5 is all about changes. 6 is all about that domestic harmony for some of you. Like things are changing in your home life as well, like where you have a lot of peace, a lot of harmony. Like you have the money, There is no struggle with money. That's something I'm getting here for you guys, okay? Your confidence, you're very confident, okay? Things are changing. And we have the number 11 as well, and 11 is a master number, and 11, for me 11 is like Aquarius energy. I'm getting like networking, meeting a lot of new people, like the social media through your work is being recognized, or maybe in your work or in wherever you work, your network is becoming stronger. You're meeting a lot of new people. That is also something I'm getting here. Maybe friends also, new friends are also coming, or maybe ideas, new ideas that will help for in your success. That is also something I'm getting. Look, we have tortoise 2 times, so things might we have the tortoise here as well. So go with the flow of life. That's something I'm getting. And yeah, sometimes things will be slow. That doesn't mean you will not reach your destination, your goal. You will. Slowly but surely you're marching ahead. You're going to win the race, okay? Understand that sometimes things might look slow, so don't hang on to your past. Like, yeah, oh, we have the wish and star, okay, and we have this hang. Oh, maybe this is like keep on hanging, keep on believing in your wish, because that is going to come true. And for some of you, it's like maybe there is a wish that is not good for you. Maybe you need to let go of certain wish that is not helpful in your journey, okay? But here we have a wishbone also. For some of you, you need to let go of a wish so you can achieve more in your life. For others, hang on to that wish, because that wish is coming true. Believe in it, nurture it, guys. Hang on to that wish. It is coming true. That's something I'm getting here. Look. Yeah, wow, we have this hang. That's beautiful. Hang on. Keep on hanging on to that wish. That wish is definitely coming true. Nurture that wish. Keep on, have that positive thoughts. Again, we have the pentacle, right? Pentacles, definitely money wise increase, there is no doubt about it. Financial growth, but let go of that scarcity mindset, guys. That's the thing. And look, we have this earthly based energy, like maybe for some of you new home also, like foundation, building the foundation of something new home, a new office, something like that as well. I see for you guys, but feeling very stable, very secure, right? Like things are changing, butterfly transformation, changes happening. Definitely we have the number 5, family life changes happening, people respecting you, people are recognizing you, people are seeing how much of a free spirit you are. Yeah, you're thriving, guys. Look back, for some of you, definitely with this bag, maybe you will be learning a lot of things, a lot of knowledge, a lot of wisdom. And with this bag, security is what I see. Like everything is protected for you guys. Everything is protected. And with this bag, travel as well, moving to a different place. That's something I'm getting. Or maybe traveling, but you're safe. You're very, very safe, okay? Yeah, keep on moving forward. Be courageous. There might be some days where you will feel like the things are not moving very fast, but trust divine, trust universe, things are moving for you guys in your favor. So yeah, like that, for some of you, you need to fix that scarcity mindset, that limited belief that you have. That is what you need to work on, okay? And express yourself, self-expression. I feel like you with this mic, maybe for some of you, you are in this public speaking, like Instagram, I told you, YouTube and all. So you're getting that recognition, a lot of communication. Your communication skills are also getting better and better and better. That is something I'm getting. Maybe for some of you, you might get an opportunity to sing in front of people, to talk in front of people. Don't let go of that opportunity, okay? Because of your fear, don't let that happen. A lot of playful energy is also coming, like maybe spending time. Maybe if you're in a relationship, I feel like a lot of good times will be there where you'll be spending time together with your partner, with this love also, with your children, with your family. Family life is looking abundant because you have enough to give to your family, so you're not worried about money. But some days you will be worried about. So that's why this 5 of earth energy, it's not because you're losing the money, it's like your energy where you're feeling like, oh, there will be enough, there will be enough, okay? So don't worry about it. And look, we have family wishes coming true, I'm getting for some of you. You're the one who is making your family wishes coming true in a way, I'm getting. Maybe your family wants a home, maybe you're the one who is fulfilling that dream, something like that I'm getting. And with this ancestors, your ancestors are definitely near you. Maybe your wish is like to build a home, keep on hanging on to that wish, guys, because that wish will come true. And for some of you, as I told, maybe if it's a person that is not good for you, then too that you want that specific person, maybe you need to let go of that thing. So maybe for some of you, a wish that is not good, you know it, that's not good for you. If that's the thing, I feel like you need to let go of it. But more, I feel like hang on to that wish, because it's keep on keep on knocking on the doors of universe. That wish is coming true for you, guys. And yes, your ancestors are near you, they are guiding you. And yes, your foundations looks very strong. You're building, you're branching out. Okay. So if you have a business already, a successful business, that is going to branch out. News is on its way. Good news I'm getting here. And we have, look, interestingly, we have this 4-leaf clover here. So it's a good news, I feel like. Can you see it? I don't know. Yeah, it's a 4-leaf clover over here. Here. So a lot of freedom also, a lot of freedom. Yeah, because you have the finances, you're working with universe, so you're free to do whatever you want to do. Look, books, a lot of books will be coming, a lot of learning is going to happen. So a lot of wisdom you're going to gain. Okay. So yeah, maybe there is a book that you need to read. Go read it. Okay. Or maybe this is like law of attraction will work for you guys. Maybe if you don't know about, I don't feel like that you don't know about it. You know about it. If you're resonating, you know about it. So if you want to like read the book again, go ahead and read it again. Okay, that will be very helpful for you guys. Sometimes, you know, when we read a book again, our perception changes more and more. We get more our perception shifts. So if you have read a book about law of attraction already, it's time to read it again. We have O, we have I, we have V, we have B. This might be specific. So for some of you, we have F and we have K. Okay, so these are the letters. We got O, I, V, B, F, K. Okay, so that's all I have for group number 2. Hope you like the reading. If you like it, give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Group number 3, if you have chosen this lapis lazuli, let's see what is your destiny in 2022. With this lapis lazuli, self-awareness, self-expression, that is something I'm getting. You're expressing yourself more and more. Maybe you were not honest with yourself. Maybe you felt like people will not understand you, so maybe you never expressed yourself, your needs. But what I'm seeing is like you are in 2022, you are expressing yourself more and more. You're communicating your truth. You're honest with yourself. You are doing the things that makes you happy. So there is a lot of integrity. I feel like you're not doing something for the sake of doing it. You're only doing something that makes you happy. That's something I'm getting here for you guys. Or maybe you're not going to tolerate someone because you feel like that it's your duty to tolerate it. If someone is like not good to you, you will be honestly you will be speaking the truth. That's something I'm getting. So you're not tolerating any more bullshits from people. That's something I'm seeing in this year for you guys. Okay, maybe you are in a company where you worked for like 10 years and they are not increasing your pay, right? For some of you, I see like you're going to ask that, like maybe because you were afraid, maybe you were like maybe they will increase my pay, but they are not increasing. But finally I see like you are stepping in your power and you are like asking for what you want. Like, if you don't give me the pay, I'm going just quitting the job or something like that. I'm getting here. You're becoming honest with yourself. You're not because sometimes because of our fear we don't express ourselves. Maybe in relationship also, maybe you're giving, you're not getting anything back. So finally you're expressing the needs that you have. You're expressing yourself, your needs. If you're a home, you stay at home parent, you're expressing your needs. Maybe everyone's else needs is fulfilled, but your needs are not fulfilled, and you're just suppressing those needs because you feel like that you don't deserve those things for you. Sometimes we feel like that we don't deserve that. We are not going out, we are not working, we don't have the money. So sometimes you feel like you're not worthy enough to have those things, right? But here in 2022, I feel like It's a message for you guys to be honest with your needs. If you want something, share it. You're doing enough. You're taking care of your kids. You're looking at the family. Sometimes that home, I don't know why I feel like maybe sometimes those when a parents stay at homes and looks after kids, their job, like people don't value that much, but it's such a good job, right? It's such a big job, it's such a big responsibility. You're taking care of other people, you're cooking food, you're looking at all the things, right? And you're taking care of other people, you're giving so much to other people, but at the end of the day your needs sometimes are not met. It's like end of the list. You're at the end of the list, or maybe you even don't express your needs because you feel like that's not necessary. Don't do that in 2022. Express yourself, express your needs. If you want a new dress, go ahead and express that need. Okay, that's something I'm getting here for you guys. Okay, for some of you. For others, it's like if you're looking for a job, I see that you're getting a good job. Increase in pay is definitely coming for you guys. Or maybe in your family life also, even if you don't work, maybe your spouse, their pay is getting increased, or maybe you're receiving money from different sources. Maybe you work from home or something like that. Maybe you're doing a small business from home. There is some sort of income, like second income that's coming your way. That's something I'm getting. Maybe for some of you have a hobby. Maybe you need to pursue a hobby. Go for it. Maybe make time for that. Maybe because of the work, you have so much work in your house that you're not able to get time for that. Maybe you need to speak up for that and make time for that. Because I see an increase in your income. Maybe income from different sources might be possible for you guys in 2022. So express yourself, express your needs. Don't adjust. Sometimes I feel like you've been adjusting for so long, and now in 2022 it's not the time to adjust. It's the time to go and follow your dreams. Go follow your dreams, guys. Don't keep it to yourself. Express those dreams and go for it. Even though it's challenging, even though you feel like, oh my god, what I'm going to do, what will happen, even though you don't know what's going to happen, go for it. Just honor yourself and be honest with yourself and do the things that you want to do, guys. Okay, that's what I'm getting for group number 3. Let's see. We have 7 of fire. You're fighting with your own demons. Whether should I do it or not, right? Yeah, 9 of fire again. And we have 2 of fire. Yes, baby, you're going to do it anyways. You will be, I feel like a lot of you right now also have conflict. Should I do this thing? Should I pursue this thing? Should I talk to my boss about the pay increase? Should I share with my spouse that I want to go out and work? Should I share with my husband or wife that I have this passion, I should go? Maybe something that you're thinking, you're fighting with yourself. So now is the time to believe in yourself and the things that you want to achieve in your life. It's the time to go that, because yes, you will be able to make it happen. So yeah, for some of you, it's like a job. That is maybe a job that you're working. You've been thinking constantly that I need to get out of this job. I want to pursue my hobby. I have this thing that I want to pursue. Maybe I want to start this new business. Maybe I want to do this. A lot of things, a lot of different scenarios. So something that with the 7 of fire, you defend your beliefs and decisions, stand your ground, choose your bullets wisely. Don't give up. Protect that which you have created. Have courage and believe in yourself. So it's about that things, so something like something that you want, like as I told you, you're in a job, you've been working for the same pay for like 2 to 3 years, but you want an increase. You feel like that you are worthy of that increase in pay. So fight for yourself. Stand your ground. If you say that if you're not increasing that, I might leave this job, because there is so much more you can explore, So it's time to step into the unknown. It's time to fight your own demons. Sometimes it's your own demons that comes and make you feel like that you're not worthy, you will not be able to achieve it. Sometimes because of it you hide yourself, you hide your truth, you don't fight for yourself. This year is all about fighting for your beliefs, standing strong for yourself, believing in yourself and doing the things that you want to do and going for it. Okay, with this 2 of fire, you have come into your own new partnership contracts. Continue to move forward. So it's like, I feel like for some of you there is a chance where you will be letting go of a job that was not serving for you guys. Maybe that was not giving you the work, the money that you need, and you're going to be in a place where there will be an increase in your abundance, increase in your money. Okay, so yeah, you're going to do something that you always wanted to do. but you didn't have the courage to speak your truth. Finally you have the courage now, and you're speaking up for yourself and going to do what you want to do. So it's like, look, we have, in the group number 2, it was all earth energy, 3 cards. For you guys, it's all fire energy. The fire, the passion that you have. Now it's the time to follow your passion. Now it's the time to follow the things that you love, not doing the things that you don't love. Maybe you don't want to do certain things and you've been fighting, like, I cannot do this, I want to do something else. Maybe you have a different hobby that you want to pursue. It's time to go for it. It's time to express yourself. It's time to be honest with yourself. This 2022, it's time to follow your bliss, follow your passion. Don't worry about the unknown. It's time to step into an unknown. It's time to believe and go for it. Speak up for yourself, standing your ground, believing in yourself, not allowing other people to discourage you in any way. Maybe there is someone around you who discourages you. Maybe you want to do something and they discourage you, and you're like, oh, maybe they are right, and you believe in them. Maybe in the past you did it, but I don't see you doing that in 2022. You're putting your needs out. You're telling that this is my need and I want that, and you're making it happen for yourself. You're becoming so strong, so courageous, and you're following your dreams. You're following your bliss. That's something I'm getting for you guys. A lot of fiery energy, a lot of passionate energy here. For some of you, it can be a person that you're fighting for. Maybe there are people around you who are not agreeing to this relationship. Maybe you will be like standing your ground, you'll be fighting for this person, and I even feel like you're coming together. Or maybe it's something about your job or something about your hobby. There is someone who is against it, but you will be standing your ground. You will be believing in yourself. You're going to be honest with your needs, and like a lot of integrity is what I see. But definitely, if you're in a job that is not paying you well, you might quit the job, or maybe you will get that increase in money because you're expressing yourself. Or maybe a new home, like maybe you are settling in for some less, like maybe you have been settling in for something less, like now you're understanding that you can have more. You're believing in it, you're standing for it, and you're getting that more things. Okay, for some of you, you're quitting your job, getting into partnership with someone. Yeah, that's something I'm getting. Like a lot of, if you're already in your business, if you're doing that business, if it, believe in yourself, that is going to grow. Okay, your business is flourishing. That's something I'm getting. So follow your passion, follow your bliss, be truthful to you. Integrity is very important. Okay, and don't let that negative demons defend you, like they don't let that take over you. Believe in yourself, believe in your ideas, believe in your goals, and move forward. You can make anything possible for you guys. Okay, you have a lot of courage. I feel like you're stepping into your power this year. You're not adjusting anymore. You're not settling for less. You know that you deserve more, and you're going for it. Okay, yeah. Look, unleash the wild within. So you have been like this, settling in. You have been adjusting. This wild wolf that was within you was hidden. It was not out. You were like, yes, I will adjust. I will adjust. I'm not going to share my truth. I will adjust. Yeah, maybe this is the one time I will just not say that this person is taking a lot from me, but I will just adjust. Now you're like, no, I cannot adjust anymore. I cannot do this. I cannot settle in for less. I'm going to ask for the things I deserve. Right? That's what you're going to do. And your confidence is going to shine. You're believing in yourself. You know that you deserve this, and you're going to make it happen for yourself. A lot of strength and a lot of courage from your part. You're going to express yourself. This fear you have now, that you're letting go of it. Such a strong energy I'm getting for you guys. And look, peacemaker, let go of the need to be right. So with this, what I'm seeing is like sometimes we have that, oh, we have to settle in for the less, for the peace. That's what I'm getting for to maintain that peace in my family. I have to adjust. That's what I'm getting. Now you're like, enough of this thing. I'm not growing as a person. I'm just settling in for less. Everyone is growing around me. I'm just there, the same place all the time. No, I cannot do that anymore. I want to make my dreams come true. I want to do something for me. Maybe in this job also, because you want peace. You're like, I'll not say anything. I will be. I will just fake that I'm okay. I'm happy here. But now you are like, no. I want to stand up for myself. I cannot, right? That's what I'm getting. You're like, you have hidden yourself somewhere because you wanted that peace. You didn't want drama. And because of it, inside of you were like in conflict. You were not happy. You were settling in for the sake of other people. Now you're like, no, I cannot do that. I want to become independent. I want to have my freedom. I want to do the things that I love. I cannot settle in for less anymore. So you're taking your power back. A lot of confidence will be needed from your part, but I see that you're going for it. What you want, you're going for it. If there's a relationship that is stopping, you're letting go of that thing. And what I feel like you have been doing, you have been settling in to get, to have peace in your family, but finally you're understanding that even though there is peace in family, but there is no peace inside of you. But now you are understanding that I need peace inside of me. I have been like letting go of my dreams. I have not been following my dreams because for the sake of other people, and I cannot do that anymore. I want my own peace. I want to follow my dreams, and that's where you're going. Yeah, summertime. Wow, summer is all about, that nourishment, getting that sunlight, isn't it? So a lot of light is coming your way. Summertime might be very important. I feel like you're crossing the bridge. Maybe you're letting go of a lot of people because they might not love what you say. Maybe they will not be like, no, you cannot do that. Maybe they will come in between your dreams, but you are letting go of them. You are going to follow your dreams. You want to be peace. You want to get that peace from inside. You're not feeling peaceful, right? Maybe for some of you in work also, there are people who are doing shortcut, like they're not doing the work honestly, and you cannot do that anymore. You're like, no, I cannot do this work anymore because this is not, people are just, maybe there are people who are corrupted, who are making money through different sources, doing illegal work. So maybe for some of you, you're like, I cannot do this, I cannot play with them along, and so you're getting out of it. That's something I'm also getting here. Okay, you maybe for the peace of other people, you might have shut your mouth, but I see that you're not shutting your mouth anymore. You're like, I want to achieve this, I'm going to go for that. That wild within was like locked somewhere. The wild that you had, it was not expressing. You had suppressed it, now it's coming out with full power. That's what I'm seeing. Like, yeah, divine guidance. And the reason is you're moving forward with your spiritual journey. You're accepting yourself. You're accepting your truth of who you are. You're not allowing other people to say that you don't deserve that. You don't deserve it. Sometimes other people say that we don't deserve it. We are not worthy. You're letting go of it because you're understanding that you are worthy of everything that you want in your life, and you can make it happen. And you're connected with divine. You're getting the divine guidance. So meditation, practice meditation. And go out in nature, listen to good music, meditation music. That will be very, very helpful for you guys. So whenever you're feeling stuck, when you're feeling in conflict, meditate. This year is you're finding your space, like you're finding yourself back again. Maybe you lost something. You have lost, maybe in the past you have lost some part of yourself. Now you're like awakening to yourself again. It's like an awakening for you guys. For some of you, spiritual awakening, like what I was doing all these past years, why I lost track of things, why I lost my dream. Like finally you're coming back to it for the sake of other people, for the society, whatever it is, you're coming back. Major awakening for some of you. Yeah, disappointment in some affair. So finally you, like, I feel like maybe you, it's like you're with the scissors, you're like, no, I don't want to be disappointed anymore, because in your life you might have been disappointed with people, in work area also there might have been a lot of toxic people. So I feel like you're cutting them out from your life with the scissors. That's what I'm getting. You're cutting that disappointment. You're like, I'm more than my disappointment. I'm not going to be in that disappointment forever. I'm just coming out of it. Okay, that's something I'm getting. Like you're choosing your happiness. That's what I'm getting. You were in a place where there was peace because you are keeping your mouth shut. That's why there was peace. You were not sharing your truth. You were not doing the things you wanted to do. But finally you are like, even though there is peace around people because I'm listening to them, but there is no peace inside me. So finally you are like ready to cut them out so you can be happy and you can be peaceful. Now group 1 also had this idea where they were choosing themselves. You're also choosing yourself. You're choosing your dreams. You're choosing your own worth, like I deserve this, and you're going to go for it. January, oh, maybe this month you will take action towards your dreams and goals. That's something I'm getting here. Yeah, new job, career. For some of you, definitely you're quitting this job that is not working for you. You're taking action, you're moving forward. That's something I'm getting here. You should accept valid criticism and a goal-oriented person. So yeah, definitely you are becoming very goal-oriented person. You're going with the goal. You know what you want and you're going for that. And with this valid criticism, what I'm getting, maybe because you were so afraid of criticism, that's why you used to shut your mouth and you used to not share your truth. And now what I see is that you are letting go of those naysayers. You're not afraid of criticism anymore. You're not afraid of disappointment anymore. Yeah, you are like, just I have this goal in my mind, I have this dream in my mind, I'm gonna go for it. I have, because of my fear of criticism, because of my fear of rejection, because I was afraid of because I wanted peace. So that's why I adjusted, but now you are understanding that you cannot adjust anymore. People are taking advantage of you. I cannot do this. I have to choose my happiness. That's what you're going to do. Wow, group number 3, you're expressing yourself. So let's see the charms. So what's your destiny in 2022? You're making your own path. That's what I'm getting here. Look, we have a lot of peace. Finally, you will be able to have that peace inside of you. There was a lot of peace because you were keeping your mouth shut, but now you're speaking your truth and you are feeling peaceful. Maybe others will not, but you will. Like, yeah, look, you're taking your power, with this finances also. Maybe for some of you, other people were playing with your money. They were taking advantage of your money. But finally, your finances, you're taking back control of your finances. Yeah, that's something I'm getting. Maybe the things that you deserve, the material needs that you deserve. People were like, maybe what is yours, they were taking from you. But finally, you're like, no, I will not allow that anymore. What is mine, and I'm going to take it. You're taking your power back. You're taking your power back. Right? Yeah, guys. Yeah, a lot of growth I see for you guys. Autumn season also might be very, very important. Summer to autumn's season is very important for you guys, I feel like. Yeah, butterfly. Look, butterfly, change. Definitely things are changing. You're getting rid of the toxic people, the people who are taking advantage of you. You're speaking your truth. You're not afraid anymore. A lot of inner child healing as well I'm getting. Maybe you're afraid of your kids, that's why you were not sharing your truth, but finally you're understanding that it's not good for your kids as well, so you are speaking your truth. That's something I'm getting. Maybe for some of you, you are getting this confidence and this courage because of your kids, because you want a good life for them. That is also I'm getting. So basically you're going to be in your power, you're speaking your truth, and you're choosing your happiness, and you're going to feel that peace. Even though other people might not be very happy with your decision, but you will be. A lot of fertility with this pumpkin, a lot of seeds you're going to plant and it's going to grow. Wow. And look, ancestors, your ancestors as your back. Okay guys, understand that. Whenever you feel lost, whenever you feel alone, call upon your ancestors, your spirit guides, they are with you. You're branching out, you're building a foundation that is going to be very strong. So don't worry, be strong, be courageous. Yeah, it will take a lot from you, I know that, but I feel like you have that power and you will be able to overcome all these things. And we have the C, K, Y. These are the specifics for some of you, Q and F. So yeah, that's all I have for group number 3. Hope you have a lovely day. Bye bye, take care.